In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Forms. Google Forms is a powerful tool that can help you collect and organize information quickly and efficiently. Whether you're conducting a survey, planning an event, or creating a quiz, Google Forms makes it incredibly easy. Let's get started and walk through the process step by step. First, open up your web browser and navigate to Google Drive. If you're not already logged in, make sure you do so with your Google account. Google Drive is simply the storage area and starting point where all your Google Forms and other documents are saved. Once you're in Google Drive, look for the New button, usually located on the upper left side of the screen. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu showcasing various file types you can create. From this list, find Google Forms, which is typically located toward the bottom under the More section. Click on it to launch a new form. Now that your Google Form interface is open, you'll need to decide how you'd like to proceed. You have several options. Start with a blank form, create a quiz, or use a pre-existing template. To create a form from scratch, select the blank form option. Once your blank form opens up, it's time to name your form. Click on the text box at the very top where you can enter your desired title. The name should be something relevant to the form's purpose, as it helps you stay organized. Now, let's add some questions. Click the plus sign on the right-hand menu. Google Forms offer multiple types of questions such as short answer, multiple choice, and checkboxes. You can change the type of question by clicking the short answer drop-down next to the question field. And if you want to make a question mandatory, simply toggle the required option. After setting up your questions, click Responses at the top of the form interface. This is where you can manage how you want to record answers and even view them later in summary or detailed form. To customize your form further, navigate to the Settings tab. Here you can tailor the form's functionality to your needs, whether collecting emails, enabling quizzes, or playing with other specialized settings. Customizing the theme is another great way to make your form visually appealing. Click on Customize Theme to change the color scheme, add images, or even alter the font style according to your preference. Once you're satisfied with your form setup, all that's left is to hit the Publish button. This will generate a link you can share with anyone you wish to complete your form. Remember, Google Forms is extremely versatile and can be used for surveys, collecting data, and even as quizzes. Congratulations.